Does anybody else have mail carriers that consistently put the wrong mail in your mailbox? That was like 2 days worth of mail. I don't know. I think I'm going to start asking for a paycheck from the post office. Time to suit up. Okay, all done, all safe. The last step is to sanitize the hands. I guess do this, I do this, I don't know. It's pretty simple really. Little bottle of stuff, put it on, smooth it around, drip it all over yourself. You'll be good to go. Okay, back from running some errands and stuff, and Mom is over here with her Jeep Gladiator, and she had seen the covers that I have, the little grill things on the front of my headlights. Actually, these right here. And she got the same kind. They're rugged ridge, and they are metal, and I like that. Not that plastic junky stuff. And they do screw on as opposed to just kind of sticking on or something. So, we're gonna go ahead and take her grill off and go ahead and screw these on. I'll show you guys how to do that. There's just 5 little clips across the front that you have to remove. So all you need to do that is just a screwdriver. So we'll start here, get some room. Start here in the corner. Again, you just pop the center up. Okay, let's get a little more, there we go. So the center part here actually popped out, so we need to go ahead and put that back in, and then when we push this back in the hole, of course, it pushes down and expands this bottom part right here, and that's what holds the top part, at least somewhat firmly, I guess. So, let's go ahead and get the other ones off. Let's see. There. All right, so that takes all the little holders off. Next up, should just be able to pull this up a little bit, clear the little areas there. You don't want to fight with the holder, like so. And then we should be able to just pull it off right here. Here we go. Let's give it a tug and see what happens. This is always the most nerve-wracking part, of course. Oops, pop back down. Where to grab, that's always the key. There we go. Make sure that we didn't damage or lose any parts. Let's see. All that really holds it on are these little tabs on the bottom here. You guys can see here these little things. So you want to make sure you didn't pull any of these out, and it doesn't look like I did. So I think we're golden as far as that goes. So we'll just set this aside so it doesn't get damaged. Now to put these on, and you want to make sure you do it the right way. There are, let's see here, it's like 3 bolts, and they fit over just like so. And you can see the bolts here are already there, so you want to pull those out. And I believe the kit comes with extra bolts because they're longer, I guess. The kit comes with extra long or longer bolts. Did they give us enough? 1, 2, 3, 6, yeah. And they are, unfortunately, Allen head. Don't know why, but they are. So, gotta grab an Allen head. Okay, we have a new camera person today, so might be a little rough. We're gonna use just a drill to go ahead and pull these screws out. It's a 10mm socket. Again, there are 3 of them around the edges. You just want to take these screws out because we're going to replace them with new ones for the covers. One thing you may notice on these, it does have blue Loctite on here. I'm going to put blue Loctite on the new ones just to keep them from coming off. So, got a little bit of blue Loctite over here. And I'm just going to go ahead and squirt a little dab on the threads just to hold that down like so. So, might as well start with the first one. Easy way to tell if these are on the right way. It says Rugged Ridge on the top, and really doubt they're going to put their insignia on upside down. So if you just follow that simple thing, you should be golden. Just start right up here. This one's off. If you look at the hole over here a little bit, I don't know if you guys can see right here, it doesn't match up perfectly. So I'm going to have to kind of force that one out just a little bit. Okay. Put that in a little. See if we can get this in a little. It's a snug fit. I mean, it's not off far. I mean, we're talking... Well, no, it's not wanting to screw in at all. There we go. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. It's just off slightly, this. Which is funny because the kit that I had on mine was pretty much dead on. No issues. Helps if you hold on to your tools. Okay, that's pretty much it. Gonna go ahead and put the other one on. Again, that one was just a little bit snug, not bad. You just kind of had to fit the screw through first and then get it in the hole. I would say if it's off, it's probably like a millimeter. I mean, next to nothing. So anyway, let's go ahead. I'll tighten this up, then I'll put the other one on. We'll button up the grill and show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay. Okay, that's it. That's the finished product. You guys can see right there, a very simple mod. All you got to do, as you saw, is pull the grill, take the screws out, put the new screws in. That's about it. So, this is what it looks like. You can see mine off in the distance out there. I have them on as well. And this is what hers look like. I think they look really good with the blacked out grill, of course. And she, as she keeps pointing out, has the black surround, whereas I have the color matched, which I'm sure she would agree. Mine looks better.
I like them both.
So what do you think of your new grill cover?
I love
or your new headlight
cover? It's great. I love it.
You like them?
Yes.
Yeah? Pretty easy to do?
It makes it look pretty mean.
Yeah. Pretty slick. There you go. Anyway, that's it. That's the install. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Pretty simple to do. Also, real quick, if you're interested, check out my other channel. It is Rob Motive, all about my 2020 Toyota Tacoma back there. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.